Here's a 1929 Ford Model A Business Coupe with the oval windows, also referred to as an opera coupe at times. This vehicle is all steel fenders and body on it. Still powered by what it would have come with from Ford, a straight 4-cylinder underneath the hood there. Made it to the 3-speed manual transmission. As you can see, the paint's in nice shape. I'd call this a nice driver quality Model A. There are some imperfections in the paint and the hood, but overall this car shows very, very nice. Interior's in great shape. It also has the rumble seat to it, as you can see back here. So a 29 Ford Model A Business Coupe with a rumble seat, oval windows. Check out the steps for going up into the rumble seat there. Great place for kids to ride during a parade or while you're showing this car off. If you'd like to check out the underside pics of it, or the engine bay or interior, any of that, the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Go ahead and show you the interior, and we'll start it up so you can hear it run. Pretty much what you'd expect from a stock Model A. A little bit dark in here with the darker cloth interior, but the cloth is in very nice shape. Door cards and a little pouch on the side there. Let's go ahead and hop in and fire this up. I'll turn the gas on. That's right down underneath the passenger side. We're in neutral. Key on. Starter on the floor. And she fires right up. Very smooth running little Model A. If you'd like to know more, feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. Or like I said, check out the still pictures. Engine bay, interior, underside, rumble seat. Those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com.